Hello there and welcome to Frosty the Music Guy's new channel. Here's my introduction. We're going to be opening some packs today, so wish me luck. Oh my god. Today I've literally had no luck at all. I really want to get some luck now. Yay! Aubameyang! Get in! I'm going to save that. I needed him. Oh my days, I've suddenly got a stroke of luck come to me at once. Oh my days, I had no luck today and I've just suddenly got two really good players in one pack. Oh my god. I just spend my whole day doing this, trying to get really good players. But I'm just rubbish at this game. Oh my days. Just gonna open another 5 more packs and then probably like open special pack or something. Just quick selling everything, they're all useless. See, I'm getting non-rares of my best players in a pack. This is just not cool. I'm actually embarrassed now, that is just terrible. So I'm going to open... Nope. I'm going to open a team of the week pack for 75k. What do I get? Oh my god, I just spent 75k on like that guy. I wonder how much he sells for though. I'm going to see after this. Wait, actually, I bet that old guy sells for like something like 2k or something. Please, last one. Wish me luck. Oh my flipping days, he looks like 50 or something. See ya. Bye.